So hi, here we see the example for operators in Java, right? So we have created a Java program. The class name is OPR. Inside that we have created main function using the statement public static void main of string args. Then a and b are the two integers created here. And for a we have given the value 10 and for b we have given the value 15, right? So first is the execution of arithmetic operators. And we do a plus b, a minus b, a star b, a slash b, then b slash a, that is b mod a, right? Okay, so the next one is relational operators. So there no, a is compared with b. So if a is less than b, we checked. When a is less than b, we'll get true. When a is greater than b, we'll get false. Because a is having a 10 and b is having 15, a less than b gives us true, right? So that will give us. And a greater than b will give us false. And a equals b, double equal to b, it will give us false, of course. The next one is bitwise operators. And the bitwise operators are bitwise and bitwise or, then left shift, right shift, and so on. So first we do a left shift to, then a right shift to, then a or b, then a and b, right? So here we give a XOR b, that is a XOR b, and next to that we give assignment operator, right? So assignment operator we give a plus equals a plus 2. So instead of giving a plus 2, we have given a plus equals 2. I think it is visible. Then a for that assignment operator I have given one arithmetic operator, one bitwise operator, and one logical operator, right? So a left shift 2 bits, then a or b, right? So let us see the output and how it is that. I'll explain how the outputs are coming, right? So in the last operator is conditional operator. Here we give a equals b. See, if a is equal to b, I'll get equal. If a is not equal to b, I'll get not equal. So obviously here we'll get only not equal because a is 10 and b is 15, right? So that is all about the operators. We'll see the output. See now, for arithmetic operators, a plus b will get 25. So 10 plus 15. A minus b is minus 5. A star b 150. A slash b 0. Okay. So b mod a. B mod a is 5. That is 15 mod 10. We get the remainder, which is 5. Then the relational operators. A is lesser than b. That is false. Okay. So that is true. So we'll get true. Then a is greater than b, we get false. A is equal to b, we get false again. Then bitwise operators and assignment. Bitwise I'll demonstrate. I'll explain you. Then so here it is assignment operator. Assignment operator is for giving a plus 2, we gave a plus equals 2, right? But that is the assignment, a plus equals 2. So a will be added with 2 and will be stored in a again. So we get 12. 10 plus 2, 12. So this one is conditional operator, which is a is equal to b. If a is equal to b, we will get equal. If it is not, we will get not equal. So here we give not equal for this example. Because a is having 10 and b is having 15. Okay. Now we are going to see the bitwise operators execution. So first a or b. A is having the value 10, right? So what's the binary equivalent of 10? 10, 10. Normally for executing things, it will take bits in 8 bits. Okay, it will convert the binary equivalent into 8 bits. So even though it is 1010, we add 4 more zeros before. So we get for A 0000 and 1010. Right. For B, it is 15. 15's binary is 1111. So obviously we'll get 0000 1111. Right. So when we OR it, we get 0000 1111. And its equivalent is 15. Now it is A and B. So when we AND, when both the bits are 1, we'll get 1. For all the other cases, we'll get 0. So for only for the 5th bit and the 7th bit, we'll get 1. So the equivalent by a decimal number is 10. Now it is A XOR B. XOR is, no, when the bits are different, we'll get 1. So for the 6th bit and the 8th bit, we'll get 1. Only they are different. For all the other bits, they are same. So we get only 0. So it is 101 and the decimal equivalent is 5. Now it is bitwise operators, left shift and right shift. So left shift I say first, A left shift 2. So A's binary equivalent is 4 zeros and 1 0 1 0. Now no, the first bit and second bit, that is 1 and 0 will be shifted left. So what happens when 1 comes out and 0 comes out? Eventually 1 0, the next 1 0 is shifted to their position. So we get 1 0 0 0. So here on the left side, that 1 0 is positioned 2 bits left. Okay, I hope you understand. So we get 1 0 1 0 0. So there the binary equivalent is 40. Sorry, decimal equivalent is 40. Now A right shift 2. Right shift 2 is no, it's the same thing. The rightmost 2 bits are shifted out. So obviously the left side 1 0 bits will be shifted 2 bits right. So we get 6 zeros and 1 0. So there the decimal equivalent is 2. So that is all about the operators of Java. I hope you understand. So once again, watch the program and also compare the output with the explanation. Thanks for watching.